I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the British Empire started. Our journey begins with England's early ventures onto the world stage. In the late 16th century, English explorers and privateers like Sir Francis Drake sought new trade routes and wealth, often by challenging established powers. The formation of the East India Company was a pivotal moment, signaling a serious intent to engage in lucrative overseas commerce, particularly in the East. These initial steps laid the groundwork for future expansion. Next, the focus shifted to establishing permanent settlements. The early 17th century saw the founding of Jamestown, the first enduring English colony in North America. Simultaneously, valuable colonies were established in the Caribbean, primarily for the highly profitable cultivation of sugar cane. These new territories served a dual purpose, providing essential raw materials back to England and creating captive markets for English manufactured goods, fueling economic growth and expansion. A key driver of empire building was the economic theory of mercantilism. This policy aimed to maximize a nation's wealth by controlling trade, ensuring colonies supplied raw materials and purchased finished goods exclusively from the mother country. To protect these vital trade routes and assert dominance, England invested heavily in building a powerful navy. This naval supremacy was crucial for both defending existing territories and facilitating further expansion across the globe. Finally, the British Empire's reach extended significantly into Asia, particularly through the East India Company. What began as a trading venture gradually transformed into a powerful political entity, establishing numerous trading posts and eventually exerting considerable administrative and military control over vast regions of India. This expansion in the East, alongside its American and Caribbean holdings, solidified the foundations of what would become one of the largest global empires in history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.